Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Pinto Vinay's cuisine. And in today's video I'm going to show how to make pork soll-mass. So for that what I've taken is, I've taken 1 kg of pork. You need to cut in medium dice, which I have already cut and kept. Now what we also need is onion, 3 medium size slice and kept. Then I have ginger, 1.5 inch crushed and kept. Then garlic, 12 clove crushed and kept. And then green chilies, 8 each slit and kept. Tomato, 1 medium size chop and kept. And then kokum, 8 kokum. And dry mango, 8 each. And also I have sugar, which is 1 teaspoon. Now this pork soll-mass should have a sour and spicy flavor. Now to give the sour flavor, I have tomato, kokum and dry mango. And to give the spicy, that I have 8 green chili. And sugar is going to balance the flavor. So let's start, and I'm going to make this in a clay pot. And we also need salt to taste and water to cook. So let's start with the cooking process now. So now let's do the mixing part. First we'll add pork. This is a very simple dish. You don't need much effort to make this. And we'll add all the ingredients. Then we also need salt, is to taste. And water, 1 cup. You have to mix this. And keep this on the flame, medium flame, and cover it and keep it. So let it cook slowly. In between you need to open it and stir it so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. And also there are many ways of making soll-mass. This is my way of making. Follow the recipe and you're going to enjoy this soll-mass. So let's start with the cooking process now. Guys, let's check this one. On a medium flame you have to cook this. And one thing that you have to cook till the water dries up, and also keep stirring it in between every 5 minutes so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Check this, there is still water in this, and pork is about to cook now. So we'll cover this and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So now this is almost ready. Check this. It is slightly wet. Keep it that way. Once it comes, now it is boiling, right? So leave it like this consistency, slightly wet. I'm going to turn off the flame. As it becomes cold, it will come to normal temperature, it will be dry. So this is how it should be. The soll-mass is ready. Now you all have seen the video. You all know how to make the soll-mass. Try this recipe and give me a feedback in the comment section. That's how you will come to know the taste also once you try the recipe. So this is how soll-mass is made. I checked the soll-mass. This is the final outcome. As you have seen, I have made it in a clay pot. Even if you use wood fire, It gives you better flavor. So try out this recipe. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.